So welcome back everyone. This is the second part of the video, crop production and management. So let's start it. So let's start with agriculture practices. So first of all, we'll talk about what is agriculture. The growing plant for getting food and other useful product is called agriculture. The growing plant for getting food and other useful product is known as agriculture. So it means that whatever plant we grow for our food or else for the products like jute bags and many other products is known as agriculture. So let's start with agriculture practice. So what is agriculture practice? As we know, the earlier men were hunter-gatherer, therefore he used to wander a small group from place to place in the search of food and shelter. He ate raw fruit and hunt animal for their food. Gradually, he discovered fire. As we know that earlier men discovered fire and they noticed that the roasted meat is more tasty to eat. By chance, he also discovered the seeds can be sown to growing plant. This was the beginning of agriculture. At the time past, he settled himself along the river bank to grow crops. This was resulted into the development of farming community. Do you know the word agriculture has been derived from Latin word agri means field and culture means cultivation. Now we will learn what is crop, how many kinds of crops are there and about them. So let's begin. As I have told in part 1, when a plant of same kind are grown and cultivated at one place at large scale, it is called crops. So we have learned what is crops. Now we will learn about what are the kinds of crops. There are mainly two types of crops, kharif crops and rabi crops. So what are kharif crops? The crops which are sown in the rainy season in the month of June and September are known as kharif crops. And the examples of kharif crops is paddy, maize and cotton. So next is rabi crop. The crop which are sown in winter season is called rabi crops. These crops are mainly grown in the month of October to March. Example of rabi crops is wheat, gram, pea, mustard and etc. many other. As you can see, back to this chapter. So we have learned about kharif crops, rabi crops. Now we will learn about basic practices of crop production. So let's begin. What are the basic practices of crop? The activity or task required to perform the cultivation of crops are referred as agriculture practices. Means whatever activity or task is required to perform for the cultivation of crop are referred as agriculture practices. There are some steps. They are preparation of soil, sowing of seed, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protections from weed, harvesting and storage. So there we are going to finish our video. So thanks for watching. Stay at home and be safe. Thank you.